My topic today is uncover how to make money in just 11 steps. Please help to like and share. If you have any feedback or question, please write in the comment. Making money is a crucial part of achieving financial freedom and living the life you want. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash on the side or start a full-time business, there are many ways to make money. Here are 11 steps to help you uncover how to make money. 1. Identify your skills and talents. The first step to making money is to identify your skills and talents. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Once you have a clear idea of your strengths, you can start exploring ways to monetize them. 2. Research the market. Before you start making money, it's important to research the market. What products or services are in demand? Who are your potential customers? Understanding the market can help you identify opportunities to make money. 3. Choose a niche. Choosing a niche can help you stand out in a crowded market. Consider focusing on a specific area of expertise, such as graphic design or social media marketing. 4. Start a blog or website. Starting a blog or website can be a great way to make money. You can monetize your blog or website through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. 5. Sell products online. Selling products online can be a lucrative way to make money. Consider selling physical products on platforms such as Amazon or Etsy, or selling digital products such as ebooks or courses. 6. Offer freelance services. Offering freelance services such as writing, graphic design, or social media management can be a great way to make money. You can find freelance work on platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr. 7. Rent out your property. If you have a spare room or property, consider renting it out on platforms such as Airbnb. This can be a great way to make money while also meeting new people. 8. Invest in real estate. Investing in real estate can be a long-term strategy for making money. Consider purchasing rental properties or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. 9. Start a small business. Starting a small business can be a great way to make money and pursue your passion. Consider starting a business in an area that you are passionate about, such as baking or photography. 10. Participate in the gig economy. The gig economy has opened up many opportunities for making money. Consider participating in gig economy platforms such as Uber or TaskRabbit. 11. Invest in stocks and bonds. Investing in stocks and bonds can be a long-term strategy for making money. Consider investing in low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that track the performance of the stock market. In conclusion, making money requires a combination of identifying your skills and talents, researching the market, choosing a niche, and exploring different opportunities. Whether you choose to start a blog, sell products online, offer freelance services, rent out your property, invest in real estate, start a small business, participate in the gig economy, or invest in stocks and bonds, there are many ways to make money. Remember to stay focused on your goals, stay disciplined, and continue to make smart financial decisions. With these 11 steps, you can uncover how to make money and achieve financial freedom. Don't forget to like and share. If you have any feedback or question, please write in the comment.